Namaste and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a popular question. Can yoga help with weight loss? I'm Yogesh, and in this video we'll dive into how yoga can be a powerful tool for weight loss, not just for your body but for your mind as well. Yoga for physical fitness. First off, let's talk about the physical side of yoga. While yoga may not burn as many calories as a high-intensity workout like running or lifting weights, specific yoga styles like Vinyasa, power yoga, and Ashtanga can definitely get your heart rate up. These practices involve continuous movement and dynamic poses that help increase strength, flexibility, and muscle tone. For example, a 60-minute Vinyasa class can burn anywhere from 200 to 400 calories, depending on your intensity level. Over time, as you build strength and flexibility, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat. Mind-body connection. But here's where yoga really sets itself apart. Weight loss isn't just about burning calories. It's about creating a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Yoga connects your mind and body, helping you become more aware of your habits. Mindful eating is one example. When you practice yoga regularly, you become more in tune with your body's signals. You're more likely to listen to hunger and fullness cues, make healthier food choices, and avoid emotional eating, all of which contribute to long-term weight management. Stress reduction and hormonal balance yoga is also amazing for reducing stress, which is a huge factor in weight gain. When you're stressed, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone linked to increased belly fat. Regular yoga practice helps lower cortisol levels through breathwork and relaxation techniques, creating hormonal balance. Simple poses like child's pose, forward folds, or even 10 minutes of meditation can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being, contributing to weight loss from the inside out. Building strength and endurance yoga builds lean muscle mass, especially in poses that engage your core, legs, and arms. Poses like plank, warrior two, and chair pose work your entire body, strengthening muscles and improving endurance. Stronger muscles increase your metabolism, so even when you're not practicing yoga, your body is burning more calories throughout the day. Consistency and long-term results. Ultimately, consistency is key. Practicing yoga regularly, along with a healthy diet and lifestyle, can absolutely help with weight loss. The best part? You'll also improve your flexibility, mental clarity, and emotional well-being along the way. So, can yoga help with weight loss? Absolutely. It's not just about the body, it's about the whole person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join me for more yoga tips and classes. Namaste.